let go of my gun to show that they
Welcome
had a
to
rude attitude.
2019 Open
Rude
House.
attitude.
Hi, my name is Chris Morelia, and this
Now we can
is
fight.
my
Go.
U.S. History classroom. Here we have our students looking at a historical question in which they discuss the merits of Lewis and Clark and how they treated the Native Americans. This is part of our Westward Expansion Unit.
That without Sacagawea, Lewis and Clark couldn't contact with the Indians who took their guns, so there was no way of telling them.
Next, we have our students on a visitation to the Orange County Superior Court in which they reenact a trial. Most recently, our students went on a field trip to Riley Farms in which they were able to investigate and research the Civil War, the camp life, and the ultimate battle in which all the students got to participate in a mock Civil War battle. This is our current unit of study, and so students are currently working on a project about the Civil War, whether it be the battle, the food, or the various things they learned about at the Riley Farms field trip. The field trip also incorporated not only the battles, but also the debates about why the Civil War started. So, for example, in the next clip, we will see a student talking about the rights of the South. So now we come into the classroom. What are our students doing? A lot of historical thinking. And as you can see, a lot of writing. Students are constantly being asked to respond to historical related questions based upon primary source documents and historical questions that are posed where they have to take one side or the other. We also get involved in debates about certain personalities, whether they're heroes or considered madmen. Here's one of those about Nat Turner. Students are constantly using technology, collaborating on various projects. Sometimes we go low-tech and students create timelines on index cards. So I hope you enjoyed this open house experience. My goal is that your son and daughter are proficient when they go into high school in areas of reading and writing. And if you have any further questions about this class as we wrap up the school year, please don't hesitate to contact me via email and or place a phone call. Thank you once again for attending, and have a great night.